Hello and welcome to this unboxing of the Google Home Mini. Now Google sent us this to test drive in our Apple office. So let's go ahead and get this unwrapped. As you can see, this box is pretty decent. It talks about all the things that it works with. Gives you a small intro to the Google Home Mini. Good ways to get started on using it. Not bad. But let's start with the tab on the bottom. And as you can see, you're presented with a donut-shaped speaker. It's pretty hefty. It feels pretty hefty. I feel like I could have 4 or 5 of these around the house pretty easily. Let's see what's in the rest of the box. Get started guide. And a micro USB cable, I assume for charging. Alright, let's go ahead and get this plugged in. Let's see what it looks like turned on. And voila! Looks like we have action. And thank you for watching this Google video.